What's up, underdogs? It's me, your boy Eric, and we're back again with the Z. The exterior of the Z is getting a lot of attention and a lot of love for sure. I haven't done anything interior-wise, so what we're gonna do today is probably do a little bit of mod inside since I have the parts. And there's nothing wrong with the interior of the Z. It's minimalistic, that's what I like. It's a little dirty, so I guess we should clean it first, eh? Okay, let's do that. So you'd be surprised what's, oh my god. So you'd be surprised behind my seat. So I have some tape. Ooh, a toque. Some garbage. Oh, a script, an invoice, $20. So I think I'm pretty set. I'm calling it a day, folks. If you like the video, hit the like. I'm kidding. I'm not done yet. Oh, you know what else is cool? Paper cut. You know what else is cool? I found my sold sign, sold to Eric Venzon. Look at that. Ah, damn it. I hate paper cut. Anyways, let's get this party started. Okay, so what are the mods that we're gonna be doing today? So I bought myself a new alright, I have a wrinkled finish aluminum shift knob with its finishing I don't know what that is called, so it should sit on the very bottom of the shift knob. Cool, great. This one's from Z1. It's I don't know the difference between the stock weight and this one. And then I found these one. It's a bride or brid, whatever you want to call it. It's a bride, I'll call it brid because I think that's the right way. Brid shift knob boot. And then, remember when I said that the Kenwood that came with this car is bung and I just don't like it? I got myself a Sony head unit that does Android Auto and Bluetooth and whatnot. It's the XAV AX3000. I got it for like, I don't know, 40% off, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna friggin' get it, even though I don't have money. So there's one more thing that I want to add to this interior mod, and it's this one. The famous GTR push start button. The OEM that came with it is not, it's not, you know, cutting it. So I got the GTR one. It should improve handling and probably a little bit of improvement on torque. So I got the GTR one. Really nice, feels nice too, so that's great. Yeah, let's start by removing the center console. You can remove the center console by just popping the back, whoa, that was sketchy. Removing this part, pulling the rest of the part out. But obviously you need to get rid of this first, right? Well, how do you get rid of that? I've seen a lot of people do this and they just end up ruining the OEM shift knob. Am I gonna do the same thing? Probably. You know me, I'm notorious for ruining stuff. So I'm just gonna use this handy dandy tool. Probably cover it with, I'm not gonna break any body parts today. So lefty, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Ugh. Oh boy, here we go. So we're starting to ruin it, as you can see. I mean, might as well, right? Wow, we actually broke it. Look at that. Look at that, boys and girls. This is not how you should do it. But I'm doing it anyway, for the sake of this. So, I broke the hell out of this. Look at that. Aren't I so cool? And I hope I didn't break the anything else other than okay, might as well just put this away. Vlogging and doing projects is really difficult. Look at that. Okay, it's out finally. Look at that, boom. So now we can just like unclip. So now we can just unclip that, so we can remove the shift boot. And when we remove the shift boot, there will be 4 Phillips head screw in here, so we can pop this out. So yeah, there's 4 to pop out those pieces. Now we have to remove this one, so this one can go. And remember when I said the amplifier is not working? There are things here that are meant to be plugged. So I see what's the deal now. Adding parts and fixing things. That's what we're all about, right? Oh, there it is. Okay. Take this out. Holy moly. So pop it up from the bottom, both sides, and then the clips that are holding up here. And then, so you need to remove the one behind this, so we can replace it with the 50 horsepower improvement, okay? Let's do that. The release clip is actually on the bottom, so right over there. So might as well remove the other side, just so we can remove this. So how to do this? God, I'm scratching everything. How to remove this is press this side, push it down. Oh, there it goes. Boom, there it is. The bung one and the not so bung one. It should add 50 horsepower. Just make sure the orientation is right. Like this, push it, boom. Now, all we gotta do is return everything back to its position. But since we are here now, why not change the head unit, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at it. Okay, let's take these off. Okay, can we pop? Oh, we were just removing this one. Okay, there she goes. So to remove your head unit, existing head unit, well, this aftermarket one is, there's another 4 right here, 2 in the top, 2 in the bottom. Okay, it's a rat's nest at the back. That's disgusting. Let's see what we can do, actually. This is becoming a mess by the minute, and I'm not happy about it. Wow, this is really janky. Yikes. I'm going to clean up a little bit. I'll remove this OEM bracket and transfer it to the new one. I'm not going to wire everything up just because they definitely just... I don't even want to say it. Look at that. That's really bad. So I went back in. I need some lighting. It's already dark outside. So to replace your shift boot, we got to remove these ones, round it, and then hope for the best. Since this Brid shift boot is universal fit, it doesn't have any holes for these things right here. So what I'm going to do is just put them through, hold it with a glue gun. So I was pissed about the rat's nest behind this head unit, so I'm gonna make a separate video about that. So that's why there's still plastic on this Sony XAV. So there you go. It's a nice, it's a real nice finish than the garbage one. So sure, it looks nice. The previous clip, I installed everything. See, it's kind of bung at the back. But whatever, nobody's actually looking at that. And if your shift boot came with one of these finishes and it was being held by a zip tie, so you literally just remove the zip tie and boom, that's gone. Why did I remove that? Well, because with this finish, it won't literally go all the way down, and with my shift knob, it just won't latch on. So I took it out. Okay, cool. But your Z1 aluminum shift knob actually comes with this. So I think there's 3 types of these. I opted for the black just because this one's actually really light, really small too. So that's like 2-inch diameter probably. It's definitely smaller than your OEM one. So I was actually debating if I should get one from Billet Works. They have an amazing range of shape and weight for aftermarket shift knob, but I opted for this one because it has a wrinkled finish, and I like that. Why? Well, because my hands get like really sweaty when I'm like trying to race somebody because anxiety and stuff. And adrenaline, so you just kind of get like jittery, your hands get like really sweaty, so I kind of need this for a grip. So that's why it's kind of good for me, but probably, eventually there's going to be a bunch of gunk that's going to get stuck in there, so additional cleaning, yada, yada, yada. Those are like the small bits that I, installed on the Z. I mean, it's not a whole lot, but we're definitely going to tackle about this and how we're gonna do it. It's actually getting cold. We're gonna have a snowstorm in a few days. So, damn Canada. So there we go. All right, guys, that's about it. I mean, if you like what you saw, it's nothing really fancy. I mean, it's just a shift knob, a shift boot. Changed the head unit and installed that GTR push button. If you like the content, you know what to do. Hit the like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode, folks. Take it easy.